Okay, this is the base. Just take the divider of the tray out and also the perch. Okay, this is the perch, and this is the divider for the tray. So at first we line up. This is the base, so just make sure this connecting part is facing inside. Okay, so it's facing inside because it's going to connect the side panel. Okay, we do the base and then the top part, and then this is connecting, so it's facing down, and these two part is for the door, sliding door to slide in. So you can see on top you got two hole here, is for the two hole here in the panel, first panel. Just always make sure this connecting hole is facing inside there. Okay, it's not facing out, it's facing inside. Alright, and then on the back it's the same. The connection, this connection is always facing inside the cage, not outside. Okay, it's simple, easy installation. Just follow the connection part, and then the top part, you just click it in. Yes, just click it in like that. Okay, and the side part you can see. Okay, this side part on the bottom, there's one without a line and there's one with the line. So with the line is for this part that don't have the opener for the tray. Okay, always remember that. So we just connect the side and then the bottom, and then the side, and see, it's in the side there. Okay, and then this side without the line is for the hole for the tray. This for the hole of the tray. Okay, so we connect the front to okay, and the side, top, the top, okay, then we have a square like that. Okay, and then this part and this part just slot in this like that. See, and we just connect this to this side. Okay, see, you got the panel for the tray. See, this is the tray panel, simple. And then this is the door. You just slot in the on that two hole on the front panel, and then click it on the door to the you got the door, and you got a perch just now. Click it on. There you go. And you will get 2 of those. Make sure this is facing inside because it's going to hold the tray. So click it on. Click it on. This facing inside because it's going to hold the tray. Click it on. There you go. Click on, and then this is for the tray to slot in. There you go. And then this is the panel, base panel, and then you got your tray. And the last and not the least is the holder. Just click it on top. There you go.